Well, there's certainly no tourists around here. Right, so I'm in a residential part of Berlin. Come to some shops. I was hoping there'd be something open to get a drink, but it being Sunday, that's closed, and all these look like they're being done up. So, but there is this little library, which I'm presuming is some kind of book exchange or free books. Nothing of interest for me though. It's all in a foreign language. There's pretty much nothing around here apart from houses and one huge factory. Don't know what they produce in there, but it's massive. God, it goes on forever. I'm guessing that a lot of the people that live in this area were employed by this place, whatever it is. Now, apparently, the next thing I'm trying to find is somewhere around here. I need to turn right somewhere. Oh, here we go. So much amazing street art in Berlin that I've seen so far, and I've barely seen any of it really. I think this is my favourite one. And this is it. This is what I've walked 26 minutes from the Berlin Wall Memorial for, through this nice park. Let's go and check out what this thing is. Well, here we are. So what the hell is this thing, you might be asking? Well, this is called Flak Tower III. Flak meaning anti-aircraft guns. And this one, it's the largest bunker in Berlin. It just shows you how big Berlin is, because unless I missed it, can't see the TV tower anyway. The city just goes on and on. Maybe if I go over to the other side I'll be able to see it from there. There's two towers, one I've just been on, and there's another one just coming up here, and it took about 6 months to build both. And this was only possible because there were 3,000, well over 3,000 workers building them. Foreign workers, forced labourers and prisoners of war working 24-hour shifts. So this was used to locate Allied aircraft formations and to determine the course of the flight and the speed and the altitude. And they're also used to put them under fire with 4 heavy double-barreled guns and to stop the Allies' planes flying over Berlin, which of course they didn't manage to do so, because Berlin was pretty much flattened by the Allies. Still can't see the TV tower. So yeah, the Flak Towers were unsuccessful in preventing the attacks from the Allies, but they were then used to protect thousands of civilians. Because apparently there's 6 floors to this place inside, and the thickness of the walls is 2.5 meters. So they were considered to be absolutely bomb-proof, and they're still here, so I'm guessing they are. Air Force hospitals, shelter for art objects from the Berlin museums are also stored here. And these are the only two that remain. Can't see that TV tower.